Let's go. Get down, Jack. You're good. You're good. Hey, Derek, I got your gun over here, buddy. I got your gun right here. Nice move. You're the man. I bet. Hang on, I'm going this way. Hey guys, let's move it up a little bit if we can, okay? I'm gonna go over here. I can see. Alright, we can do this. Oh, hello. Oh, nice shot.